Okay, we have a 2006 E350 Class C camper van. And we do have 2 compartments on the sides here for opening and putting items in. So there you go. Spare tire stuff in there, and then around side. Another compartment here. A little trailer hitch adapter for bikes. Beds up top. Fan. This goes into a bed. 3-burner stove. Bed. Another fan. Full shower, bathroom, another nice fan, and a very large fridge. We ended up doing a lot to this trailer. Put in a nice fan up top there. Yeah, she will be really missed. Really nice fan. Dad helped me put in that. That worked out really good. This was a really nice motorhome. It's gonna be missed, and you know what? It was a steal for the price that we sold it, but we're looking forward to getting maybe a bunkhouse travel trailer. Get all the kids in, 6 kids, it's a lot of folks. All right, we got ourselves a new trailer. Let's check it out. Oh, a vacuum cleaner. Came with a vacuum cleaner. Oh, a coffee maker. It came with a coffee maker. All right, our new to us travel trailer came with jam-packed full of goodies. So we're gonna go through some of these compartments and see what we want to take with us on the next trip. So yeah, lots of cool stuff. We're gonna see what we got. All right, so that is that compartment. We got a couple more compartments to go through. Got ourselves an RV cover. That's pretty sweet that we have one of those. Right along the hatch here, it's a little bit bent. You can see right here. Whoop. Right here. So we're gonna try bending it with just some crimp skies there. Good, I like that. You see that looks much better. The whole thing was resealed, and they did some work on the front here too. Looks like we even got the, oh here we go, the walk of shame container he gave us for RV parks that you don't have a dump site. So that's really cool. We're gonna have some good